Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. I'm Zoe and today we're making 6 easy cutout shirts. For these tutorials you will need a piece of cardboard or something to put inside your shirts, some shirts, a ruler, something to mark your clothing with, sharp scissors, and a cup that's bigger on the top than the bottom. Alright, first is a square neck choker shirt. Start by putting your shirt on inside out and marking about an inch or two higher than you want the neckline to be. Then lay your shirt down flat and use your ruler to draw a line across the shirt at your mark, stopping about a half an inch away from the sleeves. Then connect the edges of this line to the edge of the collar on both sides and trace around the collar. Put the cardboard inside your shirt, then cut along these lines. The next tutorial is a slash triangle crop top. Start by putting your shirt on inside out, subscribing to my channel, and marking where you want to crop the shirt. I should have also marked the top of the triangle because I made mine a little bit too high. Lay your shirt down flat and use your ruler to make a straight line across the shirt at your crop mark. Then find the center of that line and make a mark above that, where you want the top of the triangle. At first I did 5 inches above, then I switched and did 14 centimeters instead. Then make marks 2 centimeters apart from that mark back down to the crop line. Then I marked out 6 inches in the center of the crop line for the bottom of the triangle. Started making the triangle, then decided it wasn't wide enough and made it 8 inches wide instead. After you draw your triangle, start drawing lines across it using your 2 centimeter marks. Now cut along the crop line. Then, cutting through both layers of fabric, cut along all the lines going across your triangle. Then stretch out your strips of fabric. Next up is a simple peekaboo cutout shirt. Put your shirt on inside out and mark about half an inch to an inch higher than you want the neckline to be. Now lay your shirt down flat and use your ruler to draw a line across the shirt at your mark and stopping a couple inches away from the sleeves. Find the center of this line and make a mark 1.5 inches above it. Then halfway between the center and the end of the line, mark 1 inch above on both sides. Use these marks to draw a curved line from one side of your baseline up to the 1.5 inch mark, then down to the other side, making kind of a half oval. Put your cardboard inside your shirt, then carefully cut along these lines. The fourth tutorial is an open shoulder design. Turn your shirt inside out and lay it down flat. Now draw the shape of a racerback tank on one side of the shirt by connecting the bottom of a sleeve with a curved line to about 1/3 of the way down the collar on the same side, while staying under the collar. It's hard to put into words, but it should look like a tank top with really wide armholes, but just on one side of the shirt. Now cut along this line through both layers of fabric, cutting off the sleeve. Next is a circle cutout shirt. Start by putting your shirt on inside out and marking out generally where you want the circles to go. Now lay your shirt down flat and grab your cup. Using the larger side, trace the circle in the center of your shirt just below the collar. Now use the smaller side of the cup to draw 2 more circles down the center of the shirt about 1 inch apart. Put your cardboard inside your shirt and very carefully cut out your circles. Now the last tutorial is a triangle sleeve cutout shirt. Put your shirt on inside out and mark where you want the bottom of the top triangle to be and the top of the bottom triangle, both in the center of the shirt. Lay your shirt down flat and trace along the bottom of the collar as wide as you want your triangles to be. Then use your ruler to make a triangle using this line and the marked top point. Then below that, use your bottom mark to draw another triangle pointing at the first and about the same width. I didn't measure these triangles, I just eyeballed them. Now the sleeves. Make sure your sleeves are laying down perfectly flat. We're going to make marks down the top edge of the shirt and sleeve, starting about 1/2 inch from the collar. I made my marks 2 inches apart all the way down the sleeve. Now we're going to use these marks to draft out little triangles, 2 inches apart, 2 inches wide, and I made mine 1.5 inches deep, all the way down to the end of the sleeve. Repeat on the other sleeve. Now put your cardboard inside your shirt and cut out the triangles in the center of the front of your shirt. Then remove the cardboard and cut out all of your sleeve triangles through both layers of fabric. And that's everything! I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And if you're looking for more content, check out my other social media, all at Anorthidol. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video right over here. Thanks for watching!